This cute little weatherboard home in Northcote has some weatherboards that are in a really difficult to reach spot, and as a result they get very neglected and they don't get a lot of care, and therefore they become very discolored and they require a whole bunch of preparation and sanding. And you can see this process that we go through, how quickly and easily it's taken the paint off these neglected weatherboards. And it's been a long time, I would say around 10 years since there was anything done to maintain these weatherboards. So we'll continue to sand all the flaking paint off, and then once the flaking paint has been removed, they will be refilled, nails will be punched in, rotten weatherboards will be replaced, and then they'll be given minimum of 1 undercoat and 2 coats of paint, and then they'll be inspected and checked to make sure that they are looking good and they are very much going to keep water from penetrating into the walls of this home. We also use the nail gun to reattach loose weatherboards, and as you can see, once they're done, they look a lot worse than they did when we first started. But we're not making them worse, we're making them better. We're just removing all the paint that is not able to really hang on to the weatherboards and is doing nothing to protect the timber. And then we're refilling that timber and repainting it, and the finished result is amazing.